Hello everyone, my name is Harshana Arnavre and today I will be explaining the concept of nested tuple in Python. Before understanding nested tuples, we must first clearly understand what a tuple is in Python. Introduction to tuples. A tuple is an ordered collection of elements. Here we can see three main points in tuples, that is order means elements followed a defined sequence and we can access them using index position. Next is tuples are immutable, meaning once they are created their contents cannot be changed. Third, they are heterogeneous, so they can store different data types like integers, strings, and even other tuples. This immutability is the key reason tuples are considered safe and memory efficient. Next, next slide is what is nested tuple. A nested tuple is simply a tuple that contains another tuple inside it. It creates a hierarchical data structure. Here we can see the basic syntax of nested tuple. Here the inner tuple 2, 3 is treated as a single element inside the outer tuple. In this slide, you can see the visual structure of a nested tuple. Consider this tuple. Here, index 0 is 1, index 1 is 2, 3. This is inner tuple. Index 2 is 4. If we want to access specific elements, nested 1 gives 2, 3 and nested 1, 0 gives 2. So we use multiple indexing to access elements inside nested tuple. One important thing is if you try to modify any element inside a tuple, Python will raise a type error because tuples are immutable. This immutability ensures data integrity. Now let's move on to key features of nested tuple. First is immutable. Data cannot be changed accidentally. Second, nesting support can have multiple levels of tuples. Third, efficient, faster access and optimize memory usage compared to lists. Fourth is hashable. Because they are immutable, tuples can be used as a dictionary type. Now let's move on to next slide, that is real world use case. Let's take a practical example. Here you can see the example, and here first element is student name and second element is tuple of grades. This structure keeps related data grouped together while ensuring no one accidentally changes the grades. This is where nested tuples become very useful for structured data representation. In this slide, you can see tuple versus list. We can see the difference between tuple and list. Here, tuple is immutable and list is mutable. As we can see, tuple is more faster than the list, and these are the other features, key feature difference between tuple and list. If your data should not change, use a tuple. If your data changes frequently, use a list. Here we can see some advantages of nested tuple. Data safety prevents accidental modification, performance, memory efficient and faster access. Organization represents hierarchical relations clarity. Now, to conclude, nested tuples are a powerful way to store structured and hierarchical data in Python. They ensure clear organization of data, protection through immutability, efficient performance, and understanding nested tuples helps in writing safer and more optimized Python programs. Thank you.